You can be angry at your partner, tapi there are rules you should never break just because you are angry. First, nak marah tu boleh, tapi janganlah hina aku. Marah bukan lesen untuk you cakap sesuka hati. Jangan panggil pasangan tu bodoh, selfish, useless, psycho atau apa-apa perkataan yang you tahu will hurt them. Because once those words dah keluar, you can apologize later, but you can never unhear them. Second, nak marah tu boleh, tapi bagi tahu pasal apa you marah. Jangan expect pasangan tu boleh baca your mind. Kalau you are hurt, say it. Kalau you rasa kecewa, explain it. Kalau you rasa neglected, tell them. Don't punish someone for not understanding something you never communicated. Third, nak marah tu boleh, tapi tak usah broadcast our problems to the entire world. Not every argument needs an audience. Your best friend doesn't need to know every detail. Your family doesn't need to know everything. And social media is definitely not your battlefield. Because today, you marah. Esok, you dah sayang-sayang. But the people you told and you broadcast to, they may never forget what you said about your partner. Fourth, nak marah tu boleh, tapi tak salah lupa everything good about me just because of one bad moment. One mistake doesn't automatically make someone a bad husband. One argument doesn't mean that the whole marriage is toxic. Jangan pasal one bad day, suddenly you erase 10 years of good days. Don't let temporary anger rewrite your entire history together. And finally, nak marah tu boleh, tapi ingatlah the times that I forgave you too. Perkahwinan ni bukan bermaksud orang yang kita saling sayang menyayangi langsung tak lukakan kita. Perkahwinan is about two imperfect people who are willing to say, I am sorry, I was wrong, let's fix this. So yes, nak marah boleh. You can disagree. You can even need space. But if you really love each other, fight the problem. Don't destroy the person. Because the goal of an argument shouldn't be to win. The goal should be to still have a marriage worth coming back to. If you wish to learn more about how to handle conflicts in your relationships, then please comment peace atau DM saya directly.